Hi, everybody. Happy Memorial Day. I'm checking in and letting you know a couple things about my expectations for this week, and also sharing a time that we're going to Zoom. For the most part, it works for the majority in class, but also if you can't make this meeting time, you'll be able to watch the Zoom video after we've met and respond in a text box so you can still get the points for the meeting. So I hope you've had a good first week. I'm going to be grading today and looking at those first assignments and discussions. And a reminder this week is that your discussions for your main post are now due and starting through the rest of the semester on the Wednesday night by 11:59. Please, answer all the questions and also engage the video material and the lecture material as best you can. This week is actually a fairly heavy week when you consider all the videos that you'll have to watch. And so if you can get through, first of all, the fact that I have 2 instructor lectures, not just one. Being a 6-week course, I'm cramming an entire semester's worth of lectures kind of into this short amount of time. So this is one of our heavier weeks for listening and responding. And so as we look at the second week, make sure to look at the instructor lectures and watch both of them. And look that we are also doing a lot of videos that go along with that lecture. And I would like you to especially pay attention to Dr. Helen Fisher's video and also Leslie Morgan Steiner's video. All of these are important, but those 2 especially show up on exams and quizzes. To make sure to look through all the different videos posted, some of which you may or may not agree with how they're presented. I enjoy people sharing, especially with things like gender spectrum. There are so many ways in which we're looking at gender and sexuality and keeping up with that. I'm actually going to post a little picture this week also of the gender and sexuality unicorns and gingerbread people that kind of help us to understand that in more of a visual way. So I'll try to upload those as soon as I can today. So also there are a couple other things that are involved in this week. A Zoom meeting I'm scheduling for Thursday morning at 9:15 a.m. And if you go into this assignment, I wanted to show you exactly what I was talking about. The Zoom link is here. It will also be in this announcement. And also I will have it underneath the modules. So you should be able to get to this pretty easily. And the recording I will send out, as I said, after the meeting on Thursday. So if you can't make it, to go ahead and participate that way. And so what you'll see up here is for those who participate, you don't have to do anything with this assignment. I will make note of who's present, put 10 points down in this assignment for you. For those who are watching with the video, please just watch it. And then if you have any questions, and do a quick description of what you heard in about 50 words in a text box entry, I'll go ahead and give you the 10 points for that. All right, let's go back to the modules. You'll also notice that this weekend there is a quiz. I remind people that I use my quizzes to set up for the exam. All the questions on the quiz will be on the exam. I have exams where and it's only one, you have one exam for the entire semester. You, through all the quiz questions, will have the answers to that. So it's kind of a trick to get you to study for the exam because they're not worth a lot. But when you do actually do the questions and answer them, even if they're wrong, you have access then to that quiz bank for the rest of the semester to be able to study for. I will close the quiz banks on the time of the test, so you can't go back and look at the exact quizzes, but it will give you plenty of time to go back over prior to that last week of class, all the answers in the quizzes, whether you got them right or not. And I will try to help you through those quizzes to know why you did get the question wrong if you missed it. So that's one way we kind of keep in contact that way. All right, there's a lot to do video-wise. I'm looking forward to our gathering via Zoom on Thursday. And for those that can't be there, if you'd like to do an individual Zoom or need more help in understanding the final assignment, feel free to just text me, 913-553-0267, which I'll also post in this announcement. And I would be more than willing to set aside some time and make sure you get that requirement done, since it is a large portion of your grade. Okay, well, again, happy Memorial Day, and I hope to see a lot of you this Thursday.